Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Question number 11. State what is apomixes. Apomixes क्या है? It is a form of asexual reproduction जिसमें seeds are produced without fertilization. Comment on its significance. How can it be commercially used? स्पेशल मैकेनिज्म होता है एपोमिक्सिस का, evolved in some species of Asteraceae and grasses. मिमिक करती है सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन को ताकि सीड्स फॉर्म हो विदाउट फर्टिलाइजेशन. एपोमिक्सिस इज asexual reproduction that mimics sexual reproduction, produce seeds without fertilization. Significance: lead to the production of hybrid seeds so that there is no segregation of characters in the hybrid progeny. Parental characters are maintained, but still hybrids are formed, no segregation of characters. Farmers keep on using hybrid seed to raise new crops year after year. This was question number 11.